So good morning.
Good morning.
And thank you for your coming. Um, First, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Nimadi Setiawati. The topic of my presentation today is about the use of speed reading to increase students' reading comprehension. I have divided my presentation today into two main points. The first point is about the definition of speed reading itself, and the second point is about the relationship between speed reading and reading comprehension. Okay, start with the first point. Speed reading. Have you ever heard speed reading?
Yes.
So, have you ever used it in doing your reading activity?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Okay. Good. Speed reading. Speed reading is one technique that used in doing reading activity. In this technique, the reader is asked to read as quickly as they can in order to know their speed, the speed of their reading. According to McAllister, speed reading usually consists of a set number of a fixed length of a text written within restricted lexicon and followed by several multiple choice questions. Furthermore, the speed reading text, the words in the speed reading text have to known and familiar with the readers, because the goal of this technique is to read faster than usual. Okay, and there is a question: how we can check students' comprehension by using this technique? To check students' comprehension, there should be a quick objective test such as multiple choice in the end of speed reading process. Okay, and let's move to the second point about the relationship between speed reading and reading comprehension. Speed reading and reading comprehension. How does speed reading can impact the students' reading comprehension? Okay, actually, the relationship between speed reading and reading comprehension, between speed reading and reading comprehension, there are close relationship. What I mean with a close relationship between, we can see the impact directly, and it can happen automatically. And then in this presentation, I will explain three correlation between speed reading and reading comprehension to make it clear. The first is speed reading can improve our memory. The improvement can impact our reading comprehension, because if we do speed reading, our brain is accustomed to organizing information quickly, and indirectly it will impact our reading comprehension. The second is speed reading can make we better focus. The faster we read, the focus that we get. Because if we are not focused on what we are reading, our mind will wander, and it will make occupy with our thought and thought process. And then the last is speed reading can improve our logic. Here I mean, why speed reading can improve our logic? Because reading is an exercise for our brain. If we try to read faster, our brain will will access information quickly, and then our brain will easily to connect with the new idea with the previously information, the information that previously stored, and then it can impact with our logic. To summarize my point, there are two factors that influence the the reading comprehension. There are reading ability and the ability level. So if the reader is advanced level, they will get more comprehend a text better than the lower one. And in my opinion, the negative correlation will happen if the reader or the student have bad habits in reading and the materials or the speed reading text is not appropriate with their level. Okay, I think that's all about my presentation. If you have questions, please feel free to ask. Fajar, please.
Okay, thank you very much. My question here, actually what are the differences between excessive reading and speed reading? Because if we do excessive reading, it's same with we have do speed reading. We have done speed reading.
Okay, excellent question. Thank you. The difference between extensive reading and speed reading. I have explained before that speed reading means that we read a text, the teacher provides the text, but the text must appropriate with the student's level. They read a text and then there are the multiple choice question after they read. But in extensive reading means we read a large amount of text. We choose the topic of what materials that we will read. Okay, Miss, does it help you?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Any question? Fatih, please.
Okay, thank you very much. You said that the speed reading can improve students' reading comprehension. I'm sorry because I'm actually a bit confused, still a bit confused because what is actually the aspect the students get in this speed reading, because I concern on the student ability. They have different ability in whether it's speaking, writing, and especially for what you were explaining, that is reading comprehension. What's actually the aspect that can improve the reading comprehension?
Okay. Next question. What if aspect that will increase in speed reading? That's your question. Okay. In speed reading, there's a technique. There is a text. Teacher provide a text, and then you as a student must read it faster, because in this technique the goal is to read faster than usual. So you must read it faster and get and comprehend the meaning of the text faster than usual. So there is time limitation. Any time limitation? Okay. So if you try to read faster, your brain will more focus of the text. Okay, and then Wawan, please.
Well, thank you for the chance. My name is Muhammad Kurniawan. Your speed reading. How, as a teacher, how can you guarantee whether the student understand if they read as faster as they can and faster than usual? How can you guarantee that?
Okay, excellent question. reading, I think in some techniques, the teacher must believe it can. When we will use one technique in teaching, of course we must believe that it can help students to increase their skill. In this case, reading comprehension. Speed reading means you as a teacher provide a text, and you try the student to read faster than usual, to train their mind to read faster than usual. So to check their comprehension, there are some questions above the text. So if they don't understand about the text, so they automatically can't answer the question. If it can maybe if you just do it one time, you can't see the impact. Same with extensive reading, you can't see the impact directly. That I have explained before. We can't see the impact directly because there are close relationship between speed reading and reading comprehension.
But if there are many faults in student answer, it means that they don't understand what they read.
Yes, so they have low comprehension.
Just like that.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Thanks for your. I think that's all about my presentation today. Thank you for your participation and good morning.